going to do pan-fried steaks, and Jack has a great panoply of them and is going to tell you all about them.
Yes. Well, you're going to do some steak dine with that beautiful ribeye steak, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And look at that one. I mean, this is nice marbling, yeah?
Now, this is the one example of prime meat that we have. Only 2% of our beef now is prime, and most of it is not very well aged. But this one is great, and it's terribly expensive. What is it, about $10 or $12 a pound or more?
Yes, about like this, yes.
But it's worth it to have one meal with a perfect steak.
And all of those are kind of bistro steak, you know, which have become fashionable in the last few years. We have the classic flank steak. That flank steak now costs a small fortune, right? It used to be cheap, and now it's very expensive. So, and the fourth one that I have here is actually the top blade. I mean, in New York, this is called the chicken steak. In Boston, it's the top blade steak. In San Francisco, it's the flat iron steak. So they have different type of names. It's part of the chuck, yes,
it's
part
on
of the
top
shoulder.
of your shoulder.
Right.
No.
And it's quite good too. And it's available basically under one name or another all over. So there is a large nerve in the center. What I'm going to do is to cut this on top of that large sinew that there is in the center. I don't know. You see that sinew here?
Yes.
So I can cut one from the other side here. It's the best way.
You can feel that with your knife, I guess.
So this is pan-fried steak, very simply done with garlic and a little bit. I can use garlic today?
Well, certainly with a steak.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here.
That's so beautiful.
What I like to do for the steak au poivre, the pepper steak, to cut it double like this, to clean it out. I mean, here we have an expensive piece of meat, so we have to take care of it. And to cut it in half, you know. I like to cut it like a kind of a tourne-dos like this, you know. Cut this way. So I'll have two steak au poivre. Now your steak is going to be...
The ribeye steak, you know, the roast ribs of beef, and this is the steak that comes in between the ribs. We're going to trim that off.
But this one is nice. Put it a piece of plastic on each side. So which type of torture instrument we're going to use to pound this?
It has to be pounded down to a quarter of an inch. You show that.
That wake up the neighbors, you know.
Yes.
You have to go where you have like a 2x4 underneath, you know. This is yours, it's beautiful. You know, this is an old one. I remember using that many, many years ago. Because this, you can use it to cut chop, you know, pork chop, and break the bone also. So this is... Is that thin enough?
That's about a quarter of an inch. I think that's about right.